Dear friends, today we are going to see how to make our video for only kids. That is, they will be accessible using YouTube Kids app. So what you need to do, you need to select a video from your gallery, just like I'm going to do it, and then go to the share and share with YouTube as you do with your regular videos. Right now you can give a title. I am going to give a simple title, just a beat. Okay, then you can give description, location, you can add to the playlist. It is advisable to create a playlist so it is easy to access and manage. Now click on next, and then here you need to click on yes, it's made for kid, and upload. In this way your video will be accessible through YouTube for Kids app. Okay, the other way, if you have already uploaded some of the videos, then what you need to do, you can go back and download YT Studio from Play Store, as I have already downloaded and signed in. So what you need to do, you will be in the dashboard, then you click on the menu and then go to the playlist or the video you have uploaded. I'm going to search for the playlist and go for the video you want to make it for the kids. Just click on it. Let's say part 3, absolute and relative path and standard IO. Now what you need to do is you need to click on edit button, top right corner, and then you need to see the option. This is the third option. Yes, it's made for a kid. Okay, if you click on it, you will see both the options. You can choose if you don't want to make it for the kids anymore, or if you want to make it for the kids, you can do it by selecting the appropriate options and then go back and click on save, and then it's done. Okay, so all the teachers who are teaching from class 1 to 6 have to make all their videos for kids only, right? So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.